Let's get a check down with Tino Ramos, who's in Reynoldsburg, showing us some of those side roads, Tino, because that's going to be the problem for a lot of people heading out of their neighborhoods.
It can. Matter of fact, before I get into that too, you talk about these power outages. We know it's in the Winchester Pike area. That's where that power outage occurred. We still haven't gotten word exactly what it is, but you're right. These side streets are something else we got to deal with too. You know, darkness tends to pose a problem for drivers too, because they really don't know what they're driving on. We've been showing you at least how much snow that we've gotten overnight here, and you can see it's just light, fluffy stuff. But at this point, though, that was on the roadways and kind of melted out. You can see the roads right here. This is East Main Street in Reynoldsburg, and traffic's moving along, but you can also see a little bit of that snow just kind of floating on top of it, and that tends to be an issue. And those experts from AAA say, don't take this stuff for granted.
The first snow is always a practice, and then when it starts getting like 2 or 3 inches, or more than 2 or 3 inches, when we get like 4 and 6, you know, just drive with your cautiously. Don't go speeding, or, you know, definitely don't get drunk and try to drive, because our lives are on the line as much as the other person.
And again, we talked about the darkness. That's been problems this morning. You don't really know what you're driving on. You can't see that black ice that's underneath the roadways here. But fortunately, things are traveling well in the Reynoldsburg area, but obviously not the case all over the place. There's accidents everywhere. We're going to stay on that all morning long, show you all the accidents and all the delays that are out there throughout the morning. Reporting live in Reynoldsburg, Tino Ramos, 10 TV News.